Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be demonstrating how to prepare an easy and flavorful brunch classic, avocado toast. Let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need 2 eggs, 2 to 3 basil leaves, 3 cherry tomatoes, 1 lemon wedge, a small bunch of alfalfa sprouts, 1 garlic clove, and some salt. First, use a small pot to bring water to a boil. Once it's bubbling, add 2 eggs and set a timer for 7 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare the avocado mix. We'll start by cutting the avocado in half. Note, I don't remove the seed with the knife because I have yet to see a video demonstrating how to do that safely or without breaking my trash bag. So, we're going to slice that half once more, and this way the seed falls out easily. Continue to cut the avocado in chunks and place in a bowl. Now, I like to have a pretty chunky avocado mix, so I don't scoop it out with a spoon because I want more cubes instead of slices of avocado. So I use my knife to slice it horizontally and vertically. Once the avocado is cut in a bowl, we can chop the rest of our ingredients. So the 3 cherry tomatoes, the garlic, and the basil leaves. And once everything is chopped, squeeze the lemon wedge over the mixture. Now gently mix and incorporate all the ingredients together. If everything went as planned, the 7-minute timer should be about to finish. So we set aside our mixture and remove the eggs from the water. To peel eggs easily, I just place them in a cold water bowl and the shell normally peels off without a problem. Once the eggs are peeled, we can place 2 pieces of bread in the toaster. Now for the prep. I like to add a drizzle of olive oil to the bread, followed by the avocado mixture, then add the alfalfa sprouts to make a small nest for the egg. Top with the egg, and lastly, add salt to taste. And there you have it, simple and flavorful avocado toast. If you like this recipe, screenshot at the end to have the full grocery list plus the recipe at hand. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more plant-based mindful meals. Thank you for watching.